Hello third class students, my name is Jagpreet Kaur and again we will read that interesting chapter, that is Lost Pumpkin part 2, chapter number 11. So in our previous chapter we came to know that Soumya, Dadaji and Rohit went to Mr. Kapoor house. There gardener caught him and scolded them that they are calling us thief. So let us read in the second part of the chapter that what had happened to Mr. Kapoor, Rohit, Soumya and Dadaji. After when they came back to their home, Dadaji was very upset because he didn't find his pumpkin. So he was in very off mood and he simply went to his room and take some rest. But Soumya and Rohit, they didn't eat anything from since the morning, so they were feeling very hungry. So they have an idea, let's go to Matru Halwai. Matru Halwai was the famous halwai in the town. So they had idea, let's go, went there and eat some samosa and halwa because Matru is famous for making pumpkin halwa. So both of them went to Matru Halwai. Here is the picture of the Matru Halwai. They sat on the table, both a sister and brother, Rohit and Soumya. They ordered hot samosas and hot halwa. When they were enjoying their meal to satisfy their hunger, two boys came. In the picture you can see two boys came with a huge carrying something in the wrapped cloth. When Matru saw them, he was like very frightened and with fear he shook. Why you came here? Who called you to come here? Both of the boys said, sir, may we start our work with this thing? He said, no, go from here, go from here, go from here. When he scolded them, so that cloth unwrapped and the huge big pumpkin rolled on the floor. Soumya and Rohit saw that pumpkin. They said it's our pumpkin because it is having a big cross on the pumpkin. That Matru Halwai shouted, "Run away, go away, go away! These two children will catch you." But Soumya and Rohit chased that two boy with their huge bag. And shouted, hey you thief, please stop, it's our pumpkin, it's our huge pumpkin, you stole our pumpkin. But that two boys hired a rickshaw and sat on the rickshaw and went away. But Rohit and Soumya chased that rickshaw puller with the bicycle. But they were in very hurry. Even then Soumya and Rohit tried to chase that rickshaw puller and they chased them very nicely, but that rickshaw puller ran away and both of the boys that also ran away. They got their pumpkin back. But what happened when they came back to their home, Dadaji was in upset mood, but when he saw his lost pumpkin, he again there is a smile on the Dadaji's face. So he was very happy to see his lost pumpkin. But when he came to know that the Matru was the thief, he felt very sad why he had stolen our pumpkin. But in the evening, when Matru came back to the Dadaji's home, he bowed his head and felt very shameful and said, as you know Dadaji, that there is my daughter marriage very soon and I want to make that special halwa for my daughter marriage. That's why I stole your huge pumpkin because I need that pumpkin. But Dadaji told him that if you want my pumpkin, when you told me that you need, I will surely give you that pumpkin. But somehow even today I won the contest of the vegetable, but I will give you my pumpkin, but on one condition, that you have to make a very beautiful and tasty and yummy halwa for your daughter marriage, and you have to use my pumpkin, but it should be really tasty and like my pumpkin. So there is the question answers, that is very easy to find out, and there you have word meaning also. Red and purple with anger, it means that very angry. Race through means run very fast. Held with breath means very anxiously. And there is a last slide, that is thank you for watching my video.